Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing fake Kylie lip kits. They're not actually fake Kylie lip kits. They just come off as like ripping off her logo and her whole brand basically. This is actually by the brand Kiss Beauty. I found this at the Cherry Creek Mall in Denver. And when I saw them, I was like, I'm down. Like, I want to try them to see if they're just as good as the real Kylie lip kits. And right here, as you can see, I am actually a hoarder of Kylie cosmetics. So we're gonna put it to the test and see if they work the same. Hopefully I don't get like a burn on my face from these because I don't know what ingredients are in these. But there's 3 shades that I picked up. I picked these up at the Q store in the Cherry Creek Mall. They have actually really cute clothes. The 3 first colors are Addiction, Kiss of Fire, and Catherine. They all look pretty much the same, but as you can see, they totally ripped off Kylie's logo, like taking the lips, the dripping lips, the packaging, the back. So I just want to see if it's comparable to the actually Kylie Cosmetics brand. And it comes just as if you were getting a lip kit. You get a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. And they actually did replicate the actual packaging. So this is the fake one and it looks pretty similar to a real Kylie lip, as you can see. First I'm gonna start out with Kiss of Fire and see how that applies. For the best results, fill in your lips with the lip liner, then top with 1 coat of matte liquid lipstick. The ingredients don't look that scary, so I think we'll be fine. And let's go in with a lip liner, and of course I forgot a mirror, so I'll be right back. I literally just ate a huge quesadilla and I'm so full. I ate some Buffalo Wild Wings. Like, I feel like I'm about to explode. But anywho, so first we're gonna go in with the matte lip liner soft silk slip, and this is supposed to be in the shade Kiss of Fire. And this is what the lip liner looks like. What I noticed about this lip liner is it's a little bit harder to apply than the Kylie lip kits. The Kylie lip kits are more creamy and soft. Now I'm gonna go in with the actual liquid lipstick, and if you look, they don't even look the same. The Kiss of Fire, and I'm honestly not mad at it. It's a little drying, a little bit sticky, like, you know what I mean? But honestly, it's a pretty color from what I see in my viewfinder. It's not that bad. Let's see if I can get it close up. I think it's pretty cute, honestly. Very sticky though, sticky and drying. I mean, first impression so far, if you're balling on a budget, I would honestly pick this up because this looks really pigmented and cute. Okay, here's a problem. I have my trusty Neutrogena wipes and it's not taking the lipstick off. That's as good as it's gonna get. Took a little bit of time to take it all off, but honestly I'm really surprised at the first one. So let's get on to the second one. Now I'm going in with the Kiss Beauty Addiction liquid lipstick and liquid liner to see how that turns out. Now I'm going in with this lip liner that is supposed to match up with Addiction. So this is the lip liner. This reminds me a lot of the Mary Jo K by Kylie Cosmetics. And now time for the liquid liner. But it's a beautiful, like, dark brick red. Something that reminds me of Selena. Because you know how she'd always wear that really brick, dark lipstick? I'm really liking it. This is Addiction, the Fake Kylie Cosmetics Addiction. I really love the color. Like I said, it gives me Selena inspiration vibes. I really like it. My only con to this is that it's super drying. Not as sticky. I'll try to zoom you guys in and see if there's any splotchiness. I think it looks beautiful and my lips haven't fallen off yet, so this could actually be a great dupe for some Kylie Cosmetics. Now that that is practically off, we're gonna go in with the last Kylie lip kit, or Fake Kylie lip kit, and see how that applies. This one is in the shade 08 Catherine. And I hope this one's a little bit lighter because those ones are a little too dark for my liking. And they also don't have a smell like Kylie's. Kylie has a very cupcake, sweet, birthday cake kind of smell to it. These ones smell very chemically. That's the only like downfall. Okay, now I am going in with Catherine. Another red shade. Another red shade. Now going in with a liquid lipstick. Do you see that? It's not really the same color. Alright guys, so my overall review of the Fake Kylie lip kits is that you definitely get what you pay for. That these are much cheaper than the Kylie lip kits. I think they were $4. I could be wrong. Could have changed the price by now. But I'm really thinking if you're balling on a budget, go ahead and pick these up. I have no complaints. I think the colors are beautiful. I would definitely wear this out with a red dress or something, maybe to dress it up. I don't know where I'd wear this. Anyways, I thought I'd do a couple of dupes for you guys, or not dupes, swatches to compare the fake to the real. So this color right here is Addiction, like the knockoff Kiss Beauty. And then this one is Mary Jo K by Kylie Cosmetics. You can tell that this one's a little more splotchy and it's not as full coverage as Kylie Cosmetics, but it's not that big of a difference. Obviously the shades are a bit different. So my final review on the fake Kylie lip kits compared to the real Kylie lip kits is that obviously you do get what you pay for. Kylie lip kits, smooth on glider, better quality. I'm sure that the manufacturers are different, and she probably puts more money into her formulas. For the Kiss Beauty, I have little negative things to say about it other than the fact that it's sticky, it doesn't smell good, and it's splotchy. But other than that, I would say that the fake Kylie lip kits are a win, and you should go pick it up if you're not trying to buy a real Kylie lip kit. So yeah, that's my final thoughts. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.